Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to my channel Balu Master. Today I am going to discuss Target KSET 2021 Integration Part 11. We are in applications of integration, friends. In applications of integration, third session this is. So now in this third session I need to discuss exemplar book questions. So in every my video I am discussing. So exemplar book is the most important book. So from that book, almost they are going to give 30 to 40% of the questions. That's what we need to prepare for KSET and Comment K exemplar book also. Let us start your first question, friend. Your first question, friends. The area enclosed by the circle x square plus y square is equals to 2 followed by option. Which option satisfies? Area enclosed by the circle they are asking. Actually, what you need to do? You are going to find out the diagram for x square plus y square is equals to 2. That is what it is passing through origin. Why? Because h comma k's are zeros and radius is nothing but root 2 units. This is what root 2 comma 0. So this is 0 comma 0. So required area A is equals to integral 0 to root 2. How many times? This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Total circle area you want is 4 times of y dx. From this you need to convert y is equals to what? Y square is equals to 2 minus x square. Y is equals to root over 2 minus x square. Then 4 times of integral 0 to 2 root over 2 minus x square dx. You need to apply integral root over a square minus x square dx formula. Then you simplify between the limits. If you apply, you will get the answer. This is the method. This is the method. But in objective, we are not supposed to do by using this method. We are going to do by using direct shortcut formula. The shortcut formula is the area of the region enclosed by the circle. X square plus y square is equals to a square is pi a square. This is the formula, friends. X square plus y square equal to a square area is pi a square. So by this information, look at the circle equation. X square plus y square is equals to 2 given. 2 is nothing but root 2 whole square. Area is nothing but required area is nothing but the formula is pi into a square, that is what root 2 whole square, and hence pi into 2, that is what 2 pi is your answer. You will get in a fraction of seconds if you know this logic. It's a very easiest formula. So area of the circle formula is nothing but pi a square. Just you observe what is the a value here, then you substitute, then you will get the answer very quickly. Of course, this is also similar kind of question, only the way of question is different, but the similar model only. So the area of the region bounded by the curve y equal to root over 16 minus x square and x axis. You people will do by this way only. So y is equals to root over 16 minus x square, we are going to simplify, but not necessary by the method. Just you observe very clearly, y equal to root over 16 minus x square means squaring on both sides, you are getting y square equal to 16 minus x square, which implies x square plus y square is equals to 16. So required area is equals to pi a square is the formula, and hence pi into a square is nothing but 16, that is what 16 pi is your answer, friends. It is very easiest calculation by using this formula. So this is the first model, friends. I'll move to next model. This kind of approach only it is there in ellipse also. Move to that model. Look at carefully. Model, friends, without using diagram, we are simplifying directly. The area of the region bounded by the ellipse x square by 25 plus y square by 16 is equals to 1. Which of the following option is satisfies? If you draw the diagram, ellipse you need to construct, and with respect to x-axis or with respect to y-axis you can able to simplify. So and also you need to convert into y is equals to or x is equals to, then you need to do integration 4 times. And between the limits you need to apply. But you are going to do direct shortcut method. The shortcut is nothing but area enclosed by ellipse. Enclosed by ellipse. X square by a square plus y square by b square is equals to 1 is the formula is pi ab. Pi ab is your answer, friends. Now in the given question, x square by 25 plus y square by 16 is equals to 1 given. If you observe a square equal to 5 here, and hence a equal to 5, and b square equal to 16, and hence b is equals to 4 here. So that's what if you substitute pi times of a 5 b 4 and hence 20 pi is your answer. Without finding integration, directly you are getting answer. So 20 pi is the correct answer, friends. Let us move to next question. The area enclosed by x equal to 3 cos t, y equal to 2 sin t given. It's a look like it is a different model question, but if you observe, this is the same kind of question only. X is equals to 3 cos t is given, means you can able to write very easily x by 3 is equals to cos t. Y is equals to 2 sin t, means you can able to write y by 2 is equals to sin t. So we know that cos square theta plus sin square theta is equals to 1. And hence cos square t plus sin square t equal to 1, and hence x by 3 whole square plus y by 2 whole square is equals to 1, which implies x square by 9 plus y square by 4 is equals to 1. It represents very clearly ellipse equation. Whenever it represents ellipse, area you know very well, that is what pi into a into b. So that's what here, what is the value of a? A is equals to 3 and b is equals to 2. So required area a is equals to pi ab, and hence pi into a is 3, b is 2, 3 into 2, and hence the answer is 6 pi. You can evaluate very easily by using this approach. 6 pi is the correct answer. Move to next model, friends. Find the area of the region bounded by the parabola y square equal to 6x and x square equal to 6 pi. Actually, we are going to do y square equal to 6x parabola and x square equal to 6y parabola. Then in between area you need to simplify and integration, substitution the limits. But no need to simplify by using that method. You have a shortcut, already given the shortcut in part 1 of applications of integration. The shortcut formula for this means if it is of the form y square equal to 4x, x square is equals to 4by, then the required area a is nothing but 16ab by 3. This collection of shortcuts also given in the first part of applications of integration. Please look into once carefully. So 16ab by 3 is your answer. That is what you are going to write here. From here 4a is equals to 6 and hence a equal to 3 by 2. And 4b is equals to 6 and hence b is also 3 by 2. So required area is nothing but 16 into ab by 3, and hence 16 by 3 into a is 3 by 2 and also b is also 3 by 2. 3 get cancelled, 2 8s are cancelled, so 2 4s are cancelled. 4 into 3 is equals to 12 square units is your answer. So without constructing the diagrams, also you can able to do the sums very easily by known results. Let's move to next model. Now friends, the area of the region bounded by the parabola y square equal to x and the straight line 2y equal to x. So parabola and line combination. Parabola line combination means you have a shortcut. So just to remind the shortcut, then it is very easy to apply here without finding the diagram integration also. So what is the curve equation? Y square equal to 4ax. Y square equal to 4ax shape given and equal to mx line given. So the required area A is equals to 8 by 3 into a square by m cube. This is given in applications of integration first video. So then this is nothing but you are going to write, you are going to evaluate here y is equals to x, means that is what 4a is equals to 1 and hence a is equals to 1 by 4 here, and 2y equal to x can be written as y is equals to 1 by 2 into x and hence m is equals to 1 by 2 here. Then required area is equals to, required area A is equals to 8 by 3 into a square. What is a? 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. A square in the sense. By m cube. By means 1 by m cube. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. And hence you can able to write in the numerator 2 into 2 into 2. So 4 will be cancelled directly. 2 2s are cancelled. 2 4s are cancelled. The final answer will be 4 by 3. 4 by 3 is your answer. It's a very good approach for you friends. Let's move to next question. The area of the region bounded by y equal to root x and y is equals to minus x. How you are going to do? Y equal to root x, if you simplify, you are going to get y square is equals to x. And hence 4a is equals to 1, a is equals to 1 by 4 here. If you observe very clearly, it is of the form y is equals to mx and hence m is equals to minus 1. So required area is equals to, required area A is equals to, what you need to write? The same formula only, 8 by 3 into a square. That is what 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 by m cube. M cube is nothing but minus 1 whole cube. Of course, you are getting minus 1 only. So 4 2s are cancel and 2 2s are also cancel. So minus 1 by 6, but area never be considered negative sign. That's what you need to take modulus, and hence 1 by 6 is your answer. It's a very good answer, friends. This kind of models are the most important models. Next model, friends, find the area of the region bounded by y is equals to 1 plus mod x plus 1, x equal to minus 3, x equal to 3, comma y is equals to 0. So before that, I'm going to simplify this function. Y is equals to 1 plus mod x plus 1 given. This is nothing but x plus 1, which is positive. Mod x plus 1 behaves like x plus 1 only. So 1 plus x plus 1, whenever x plus 1 is positive, means x plus 1 greater than 0. X plus 1 greater than 0 means x greater than minus 1. Then x is less than minus 1, means x plus 1 is less than 0. That's what x less than minus 1. Whenever this is less than 0, that's what this quantity is negative. 1 minus x minus 1, 1 get cancelled, you are getting minus x as the result. And also you need to construct this graph between minus 3 and 3. Just you can able to observe very clearly. Minus 3 somewhere here, minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. And also 1, 2, 3. So this is what x equal to minus 3 given means. So we need to substitute x is equals to minus 3 here. Minus 3 plus 1 minus 2 under mod. Plus 2, 1 plus 2 equal to 3. So x equal to minus 3 means y is also 3 only. So that's what 3 means. You need to do here. X equal to minus 2 means minus 2 plus 1 minus 1, minus 1 under mod 1, 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. Minus 2 means 2 only. And coming to next, minus 1 plus 1 0, minus 1 means plus 1. And let's move to 0. 0 means 0 plus 1 is nothing but 1. 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. Again it will increase 2. At x equal to 0, the result is 2. So, and x is equals to 1. If you do 1 plus 1 is equals to 2 plus 1, 3. X is equals to 1, y equal to 3. And also x equal to 3, if you do 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1 is equals to 5. Somewhere 5 is 4, 5. So that is what at x equal to 3. So the graph is increasing something like that. So if you join, and also need to add like this. So in between area you need to find out. So this area you need to find out means this is this area plus this area you need to find out. This area means minus 3 to minus 1, minus 1 to 3. Minus 3 to minus 1 depends on one curve. Minus 1 to 3 depends on the other curve. Minus 3 to minus 1 depends on this curve means this is what x less than minus 1. X less than minus 1 means the graph is minus x graph. Whenever minus 1 to 3 is there means it is what x greater than minus 1 part. X greater than 1 means the graph is x plus 2 graph. So what happened? Required area is equals to integral minus 3 to minus 1. This part completely depends on x less than minus 1 part, that is what minus x dx, plus integral minus 1 to 3 you need to do, that is what depends on x greater than minus 1 graph, that is what x plus 2 dx. So you are getting minus of x square by 2 between the limits minus 3 to minus 1 plus x square by 2 plus 2x between the limits minus 1 to 3, and hence minus 1 by 2 outside, minus 1 whole square 1, formula minus 3 whole square is 9, plus 1 by 2 into upper limit, if you take 3 square 9, formula minus 1 whole square is 1, plus 2 times of 3 minus of minus plus 1. So this can be written as minus 1 by 2 into minus 8 plus 1 by 2 into 8 plus 2 into 4. So this is what minus of minus plus 8 by 2, 4 plus 4 plus 6, 8. So 4 plus 4 plus 8 is nothing but 16. 16 is your answer, friends. So this is the session for today, friends. Applications of integral, last session. This is in the next session. I'll meet you differential equations. That's all for today's class. Thank you so much, friends. Thanks a lot.